Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to us. We were on a small family vacation, but we came home to a chickentastrophe. That's the phrase my daughter came up with when we found out one of our hens is pecking eggs again. Today I'm going to talk about why chickens peck their eggs, what I'm going to do with that hen, and how to prevent it going forward. Because if I don't solve this now, all of them will start doing it. Let's get going. So not too long ago, we moved our chickens from these portable type coops into a permanent one over there. And we've provided a lot more space over there for them. When we put them in this coop over here originally, we had a problem with one hen who was eating her eggs. Her name is Big Mama or Cardamom, and she's doing it again. So I was able to get some hen gear rollaway nesting boxes, and that actually solved the problem at that point. A reason your chicken could be pecking eggs is because they are low in calcium. What we do is we provide ground up oyster shell for them. This should give enough calcium into their system where they don't want to peck on the shells and eat the eggs. But sometimes it's a protein deficiency. So like you've seen in a few of my previous videos, we provide either mealworms or black soldier fly larvae when we have them. And that provides them with a nice shot of protein. Then they're not looking for it in other sources like their eggs. An additional reason your chicken is pecking eggs is because she's bored. But that shouldn't be the case in our situation, since we just gave them a huge new run and put the two flocks together. Here, chick, chick. Chick, 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 chick. So this is Big Mama. She is the bully. And the barred rocks, if they're in this group, can fend her off, but she is usually bothering everybody, even the rooster. And she's the one, I believe, at least I'm 90% sure, that she's the one pecking the eggs. Here's my other Rhode Island. She's a bit of a bully too to the smaller chickens like the Easter eggers and the leghorns. The rooster does an okay job with separating them, but he's a leghorn and he's a little bit smaller. He should assert his dominance, but these Rhode Islands are tough. Now I've had these hen gear nesting boxes for a while and they work really well. The eggs roll away into this drawer down at the bottom that you see. They worked perfectly in the other coops, but for some reason, in this coop, they're choosing to lay on the floor, and that might be my fault. Now I do get some laying in the hen gear boxes, but on the floor, I did put some bedding. And as you can see next to this hen gear box, I have some space on the floor, and they do lay in that spot. And then they're laying in this back corner as well. So if I can get them into those boxes, the eggs will roll away, and then I won't have to worry about Big Mama pecking them. But at this point, it's a behavior issue, and she's learned to do it again, and she's probably not going to stop. And the big problem with that is she'll teach the others. If it's strictly a health issue, like a deficiency in calcium or protein, then you can correct that. But once they've got it in their system and they continue to do it, you gotta separate them. So I'm going to be pulling in that small cage coop today into here, and I'm gonna be separating that one Rhode Island out. And once I have her out and separated, I'm gonna take out this straw bedding. Another way to get your chickens to stop pecking eggs is to introduce ceramic eggs or wooden eggs or even golf balls. We've been using these for years, but it's usually to get chickens to lay in the proper spot. And for us, for some reason, this has not deterred Big Mama from pecking eggs. The only thing we have not tried yet is to take a real egg and blow out the insides and fill it up with mustard. Chickens apparently hate the spiciness or vinegariness of the mustard, and they will, once they get into it, stop pecking eggs. I'm not sure we will ever do that one, but it may be a last resort if I can't get Big Mama to stop pecking them. But here's one thing you really have to do as well, is pay attention to your chickens. I've talked about this in a lot of videos before. You have to sit out there with them. It's pretty quick to set one of these up, especially if it's already put together. I just moved the old nesting box, the water, put up a makeshift roosting bar and the feeder, and we're all set. Now I have to go catch Big Mama, or Cardamom, and get her in there.
She goes in there, that's easy. From this side. Come on, Big Mama. Got her.
You got Big Mama?
Yep.
All right.
We gotcha.
Time to isolate her.
And another little pecker. Okay. Here you go. Close it. You're in jail for eating your babies. Yeah, you're in jail until you learn your lesson.
So we got Big Mama in there. She surely has her gang, as you can see. They don't know why she's been isolated, but I do, and it's because she's the main culprit in pecking the eggs. So hopefully this will help the situation, and hopefully some of the other ones have not learned a bad behavior so far. We've covered all of our bases. We've got the protein covered, we've got the calcium covered. They're well fed, well hydrated. I've got the main egg pecker isolated. We've got our ceramic eggs, we've got our roll-away nesting boxes. I shouldn't have any more pecked eggs. But like I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna take that extra bedding, that straw off the floor and see if that helps them to gravitate towards those nesting boxes. If you have any questions or comments, leave them for me in the comments section below. Now go check out this video right here, which covers 20 signs that your chicken could be sick. Have a beautiful, blessed day. We'll see you next time.